Perma-Chink comes in 8 different colors. We've got, you can see the 4 colors on the right. They look like the traditional mortar colors. And on the left, you can see the more contemporary browns. Chinking looks really great on the inside as well as the exterior. This pantry looks really good. Now we're going to talk a little bit about chink paint. Chink paint can be used to spruce up existing chinking line or even to change the color of it completely if you're ready for a new look. It can also be used in superficial chink joints that are not big enough for the proper backing material. You never want to use the cheap brown masking tape in the superficial chink joints as it can cause interference with the adhesion of the chink paint. Chink paint is a little bit less expensive than chinking, and it can be a little bit more economical for people with the superficial chink joints. Energy Seal is the sealant that we made to use in chinkless style applications. It stretches and stays flexible like the Perma-Chink. It won't crack or peel. It has a lightly textured appearance. It's made to accept stain very well and so that you can conceal it and maintain that chinkless style look. It's useful on the interior or the exterior of your home. You do want to apply Energy Seal at about 3/8 of an inch, just like the Perma-Chink. If you look at the picture on the right, it shows that the original depth of the Energy Seal when it applied was 3/8 of an inch, but as it cured, it cured down to about 1/4 of an inch and it concaved. When it makes that little indent, it makes it a little bit easier for you to conceal it and make it look like you've just got logs on your chinkless style home and no sealant. Energy Seal can be really good to seal around your zippers and log ends. You can choose a color of Energy Seal that matches your bare wood, or you can choose a color of Energy Seal that matches as close as you can to your stained wood. Energy Seal may never blend 100%, but you can usually get it to blend to where it looks satisfactory, where you can't even notice it unless you're up close next to the wall. A check is a fissure or gap that is opened on the surface of the exterior surface of your logs. Anything 45 degrees angle or, let's see, 1/4 inch or bigger, you'll want to seal so water can't get in. Before sealing a check, you want to clean the check out, move any debris out of it or any loose hanging wood or anything like that, and you can fill the gaps up with a borate product like our Shell Guard RTU to help kill any fungus that might be starting to cause rot inside the checks. You want to use backer rod wherever possible in your checks. You can use your troweling spatula to press in the backer rod, and you can use the same taping method that we showed on the superficial chink joints to get a nice clean line with your check. Checkmate 2 is the product that's best for filling your checks. So you can see in this picture at the bottom that the Checkmate 2, it has a lot of expansion. It can expand to about 400%. Stack and Seal 2 is an internal sealant that you can use when stacking your logs when you're building your home. You can also seal around windows and door frames, around butt joints or around corners. It'll take stain, but not quite as well as Energy Seal, and it should never be used for sealing checks. Stack and Seal comes in 6 different colors plus clear. If you have any questions, I noticed there weren't any asked during the webinar, but if you have any questions, you can email any of the above names. You can also send digital pictures of your projects so we can help you as well as we can. Thank you for attending the webinar.